Look in the wall. Come here. It's lost. Twilight. Light switch. Come here, Twilight. Come here. Come here. Light switch on the wall. Look behind you. You don't want to do it? Twilight. Chase is on the case. Can you say Chase is on the case?
Cuddled next to me and just started crying. And her crying wasn't like whining. It was like, Mom, I'm so sad. What's going on? Like that kind of thing. Yeah, so sad. I just wasn't sure what it was. I should have.
It wouldn't fit. It's so cute. I'm so glad it fits her perfectly. I've been meaning to get her new shoes. This got so cool, but I see a spider web. What did she try to do? I've always wondered. Jump? Just sit there? And get hurt? I heard of the Pokemon 2.0 collection, but this is the... I've been wanting a black velvet. No, I thought this was just gonna be a regular simple black dress, but it was a velvet. And I was like, I'm not on this opportunity.
I got those shoes worked out. Really happy. I usually hear something.
This black color. Get set.
Go!
Go! Whoa! Good job, Midnight!
Put all the red blocks. Oh, you poop. Look at the diaper. Look at the diaper and water wipe. Alright, go. Go get water wipe and your diaper. You poop. Go get water diaper and... Go. Go get the green blocks.
Wow! Now put your blue blocks. Yellow. Put it your yellow blocks. Put your yellow blocks.
Boom! Twilight. Twilight's gonna get hurt by the... It's a black girl, but there's no red. Okay. No idea what she's reading. We're gonna go to Bye Bye Baby and hopefully there'll be like a selection of books for Twilight and then to choose from. Jimmy's happy. No, that's your sister. This is yours. Oh no, you said this is yours, yeah. Her hair's... Twilight's hair is crazy.
Lazy.
Okay.
Oh no! Oh no!
Midnight's angry. Glaring at you, Twilight. Uh-oh. Midnight says no, Twilight. Listen to your brother. Yeah, it's gonna get cold and the bugs are gonna come inside the house. Twilight, the mosquitoes are gonna come in the house.
I don't know where I'm gonna start, but yeah, I don't think people are too afraid of the coronavirus. Not for surprise. I was like, there was this really cool stuff back there at the container store entrance, and I was like, ooh, don't touch it, just in case. Yeah, this is hand sanitizer, it's not as effective, so. Wait, is this really swimsuit? It's a lot of cute things here today. Oh my gosh. I mean, they're gonna be safe not to bring their children, right? I'm wearing the dress that I got from Black Milk Clothing. Gosh, do I want one right now? No. But oh my god, this is so much cuter, although they don't know Lilo and Stitch. Oh, if I can do it, my stomach is not feeling well because I drank prune juice yesterday. We'll see. There's not many people today. I was wondering, is it additional price for like lip, like nail, make the nails a little bit longer? I love it. It took a while. You like dip my fingernails into the powder like 4 or 5 times. I don't know. Maybe I should check out Seafood City, what they have here. Yeah, let's check out. Whoa, I've never seen this kind of bread before. Looks good. Wait, are they relocating? Or is it still the same? Oh, I guess this is together. I forgot. I don't know. Maybe eating ice cream is not a good idea before the hair thing. Oh, they made so many of this cotton candy. I look younger. Interesting. I have a big head, but I love how my hair is. So I did the leave-in hair conditioning treatment. I'm gonna watch the movie Onward. I wasn't gonna watch it in theaters, I was just gonna watch it on Netflix, but
Lunch on the run. This is gonna be like a buddy movie.
Oh, I love your sense of irony.
I like no sound though. I try to hold myself together. I was just thinking of my husband and his dad. He didn't even get to say goodbye. Oh, hi. So it's like, it's heart-wrenching. So just seeing that part reminded me of that and made me really tearful. I was trying to find a good lighting, but I don't think I could possibly find. 난이 있었다. Ibiza. I love it when you wear a dress, Twilight. You look so cute. 아이고. 1, 2. What happened, Midnight? Did you fart it or is it a chair? Midnight, that's the chair, right?
기다려, baby.
Comment from my friend. He's like, you look like an anime character, and I was like, oh, I've never heard that before. So that's like one of my favorite compliment. Thank you. Room when you sleep, it like hurts your throat, and so I took a nap a lot. I think I didn't really record much at HMR because they usually don't allow you to film there. So. That's 좋아. Yum yum. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's very comfortable. Just sleep on daddy's chair. 아이고 피곤해. 아이고 tired. Just sleep on dad. Kind of look at your sister. Kind of look like your sister when she was your age. For HMR, I completely forgot to make lists for bread. Just hope the chicken is Southwest cheese and corn dip. That's new. 아이고 잘 먹어. Okay. Alright. We're eating sandwich.